we have been ready. We mentioned that we will finish this case in 60 days. And actually, we have been ready after the lapse of that 60 days. 2 weeks ago, nag-lapse yung 60 days na yun eh. But we thought it prudent to hold on first to our possible decision. In fact, there's already a draft decision available, Ses. Pero hindi muna namin dineliberate purposely. Kaya happy ako na yung sa DOJ is they're ready now with the resolution very soon. Tapos na yung mga preliminary investigation nila, which means that a resolution is forthcoming and possible cases could be filed if ever. The reason why we try to, I don't want to use the word delay, why we try to hold on first to the case is kung absuelto, di okay, di ba? Pero assuming na they're guilty in the admin cases, that means they will be dismissed if ever. And if they are dismissed, and there will be warrants of arrest, hindi mo na alam paano hahanapin yung mga policemen na ito. And that would be a bigger concern. So that is why we are also awaiting and coordinating with the Department of Justice as to the results of their investigation. But ang pangako namin sa taong bayan at naalala ko dito na napag-usapan natin, 60 days, napul ko.
Okay, so you're waiting for the resolution before you divulge your findings?
Guro, simple put, parang ganon, Ses. Para mas, it will be a coordinated effort, if ever. Mahirap naman na hindi kanya-kanya ang galaw ng iba-ibang ahensya ng gobyerno. Then if ever, it will cause more problems. And I think it is really best that the government works together as a team para mabuo yung hustisya dito.
But the DOJ is aware, or is there supposed to be a China wall there? Are they aware of your report? The contents of your report?
We are sharing notes as far as investigation is concerned. I did not reveal to them what are the contents of the draft decision. But suffice it to say, says that we are coordinating. And hindi po nagsosolo ang DOJ, hindi rin po nagsosolo ang National Police Commission.